like to cover pulling in listings from a company called Datafiniti so that rent offers can be enriched with more listings. This will allow us to present about 35,000 listings a month so that renters have greater choice on the listings that they can provide offers for when they're looking for their next home. What we're looking at here is going to be a little bit of a behind the scenes look. As these listings get pulled in from Datafiniti, three things get created. A claimable listing token, which is the main part of this demo today, that allows an agent, the person who listed the rental, to claim their listing, but it also creates a rent offers listing, and it creates an external contact object, just a way for the system to automatically reach out to the agent if they receive an offer on a listing that hasn't been claimed yet, and to reach out to them to let them know they can claim their offer or claim their listing. This code will run every hour, but in my development environment, I've got a way to manually trigger it, so I'm going to do that. So that just got kicked off. So we can see here that it's going to try to import some records, and what we get from that, as mentioned, listings, claimable listing tokens, and external contacts. In my development environment, I don't want listings to automatically get sent to agents, so I set this to false automatically. Once I set it to true, then it's actually going to trigger an email being sent, which we should receive shortly. All right, this email says that the address is now, the listing's address is now live on rent offers, confirm and manage today. Here we can see that there is an insurance quote. Rent Offers has partnered with Steadily. Steadily is a landlord insurance provider. So our hope is that right off the bat, an agent can see some value in working with Rent Offers. They can take this and send it to whoever they listed for, and hopefully it'll provide some savings. The email itself has got some information. We've also partnered with Snapped, a company that uses artificial intelligence to determine whether or not bank stubs, pay statements, and some other documents have been altered. Also partnered with TransUnion, and as mentioned, Steadily. Here we'll click the link. It'll take us to the link, but since this user doesn't have an account yet, they'll see this sign up /n to view images, and they just see the placeholder images and then the description here. And same with searching. If a user has not signed in, they don't have an account, they're not able to see any images that were provided by Datafiniti, just to make sure we're not having any copyright issues with images. Once an account is created, they will be able to see the images. So now I'm going to go ahead and claim this listing. So I'm going to click claim my listing, and then I'm going to say I list rentals for other Michael James, and then I'm going to click continue with Google. This is going to create an account, redirect to the dashboard. Behind here, we can see some dummy data just to kind of show what the dashboard looks like when it's populated. And then as soon as the user clicks claim my listing, the listing gets claimed. If there were offers if there were offers or tour requests that were a part of that listing, all that gets transferred to the person who claimed it. And then, since this user is now signed in, they can actually click it, see the images, see the description, and all that good stuff. So that shows how simple it is to claim a listing. From there, they can edit it, change number of beds, baths, all that good stuff. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, appreciate the support.